Hey everybody, Zach with Haix. We're super excited about FDIC 2023. We've got several exciting things going on at the Haix booth this year. We can't wait to see you in person. First off, you'll want to come by the Haix booth number 912 and check out the latest addition to our structural boot lineup, introducing the all-new Fire Eagle Xtreme. Come by the booth, try this on, and while you're at it, you can take another step into a new dimension with Flaim. Flaim is a hands-on virtual reality firefighter training experience that you're not going to want to miss. In addition to the all-new Fire Eagle Xtreme, we'll have plenty of other boots for you to look at and try on. From the Missoula 2.1 Wildland boot to our ever-popular Airpower XR2 Pro. So come by, get a chance to feel the Haix difference for yourself, and as always, we will have special FDIC show-only pricing. While you're at our booth, be sure to have your badge scanned so you can be entered for a chance to win one of 4 boots. Now, of course, we'll be doing the backpack giveaway again this year, but this time with an all-new design and style. Check out this new roll-top backpack from Haix. You're definitely going to want to get your hands on one of these for the show, so be one of the first 350 people to line up on Thursday or Friday to get your hands on one of these. That's all. We can't wait to see all of your faces at FDIC 2023 at the Haix booth number 912.